Okay, so the cards for the week of January 4th to the 10th of 2026 are Four of Earth or Four of Pentacles. Initially, I'm being drawn to a Capricornian energy with this. It feels very positive in terms of setting boundaries and appropriate restrictions with this card. Again, okay, I'll get into that in a sec. What I was going to say, I'll say it later. But this setting appropriate boundaries and restrictions with this card. Okay, we've got the Two of Air, Two of Swords, King of Earth or King of Pentacles, and the Six of Fire. So there feels like a victory here. I feel very strong a victory in terms of progress forward. I feel like this is, the King of Earth almost feels like it's surrounding some type of an investment. It feels like there's political figures or such that are taking things more seriously in terms of value, worth, etc. And that's where I get that king energy from, and that's a very positive form of that. I feel like with this Two of Air, it's actually taking a more positive path in terms of this. This, I feel like it's maybe, okay, it's not necessarily related. I'm getting a no with that. But what I feel like is, okay, it's just taking a more positive path. There's a more positive path that's being taken here through this choice, where a more positive path is being chosen. There's more boundaries and stuff that are being set appropriately. Then there's people that are doing things from a more, it feels like almost like with more integrity with that card as well. Doing things with more integrity, understanding value and worth in a more appropriate way. And there's a victory, it's surrounding positivity, okay? Now, we may not fully see it in that sense and in that way that is coming through this week. What I was going to say at the beginning where I said I'll wait and say it is just a reminder that this is a mundane reading. This is not meant to be a personal reading. This is how things are affecting us, like politically, economically, globally, etc. Watch last week's video if you want to know why I only do readings like this. Okay, I'm not going to say it again. But this is a mundane reading in that sense, and that is the vibe for this week. Now, I do offer personal readings if anyone would like a personal reading. Astrology, card readings, anything like that. Okay, you can head on over to mysticalmark.ca and check those out. But yeah, these are the cards for this week.